This is just a quick update on our Stittsville bathroom project. So we have all the walls finished and painted, and the tile on the floor is down, and we have the linear drain in with the floor tile, 3-sloped situation. And this line right here, this is the edge of the slope. That's where the shower glass will sit. So we are grouting tomorrow and moving along towards putting some nice tile on these walls. We'll actually have a double 12 by 20 niche, so it will be one piece 12 by 40 inches and one right above the freestanding bathtub here, where we have all roughed in the drain and the rough in for the tub filler, all ready to go. So stay tuned, because some fun parts are coming our way. Thank you for watching.